Good morning, class. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we will do exercise 8th D, divide the sums. Children, in this exercise, all the sums are of 4-digit numbers. The exercise which we did yesterday, there we have learnt the division of 3-digit numbers. Here in this class, we will learn how to solve 4-digit numbers. Let's start exercise 8th D. Children, you can see on the screen, this is exercise 8th D. The question is divide the sums. The question is divide. So the sums which are given to us, we have to divide these sums. These are 4-digit sums. The number which is written inside is called dividend 2468 and we have to divide it by 2. Let's start. 2 1 ja 2. Subtract 2 from 2. This is 0. We will take next digit, that is 4, down. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is again 0. Next digit is 6. 2 3s are 6. Same pattern we have to follow, whether we have to divide 2-digit number, 3-digit or 4-digit numbers. We have to follow the same pattern. Now we will take next last digit, that is 8, and divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8. Children, as I already told you, the answer which we get this on this side, this is called quotient. So we can write the answer. In the division sums, the quotient is called the answer. Here the quotient is 1234. Now we will do next sum. 4884. The division is 4884 and the divisor is 4. The number by which we divide the number is called divisor. Here the divisor is 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We will take 8 down. 4 2 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next digit is 8. Again 4 2 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Last number is 4. We will divide it by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Here the quotient is 1221. Now we will do C part of this exercise. This is 3693. 3693. The dividend is 3693 and divisor is 3 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 0. Next number is 6. 3 2 ja 6. Again 6 minus 6 is 0. Next number is 9. 3 3s are 9. Children, we write the numbers in the alignment like this. The next digit is 3. 3 1 ja 3. The answer is 1231. Now D part of question number 1 is 8084 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next digit is 0. When we divide 0 by any number, the answer is 0. So we will write 0 here. Take next number, that is 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Last digit is 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is 2021. Now we will move to the next part, that is E part of question number 1. The sum is 4002. The divisor is 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We will take 0 to the quotient place. Next digit is also 0. Take 0. Now we have 2 to divide. 2 1 ja 2. The quotient is 2001. Now we will do F part. 6090. 6090 divided by 3. 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next digit is 0. Children, so many times I have told you, when we divide 0 by any of the number, the answer is 0. So we will write 0 on the quotient place and we will note down the next digit, that is 9. 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last digit is also 0. So 0 will come on the quotient place. The answer is 2030. Now we will do G part of question number 1. Here the sum is 8600 and we have to divide it by 2. 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Take 6 down. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next numbers are 0 and 0. So we will write zeros on the quotient place. The answer is 4300. Now H part of this question is 6000 and we have to divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we have zeros only. So how many zeros are there? 3, and we will put 3 zeros on the quotient place. The answer is 2000. Now we will move to the second question. Children, you can see second question. It is written in the row. We will change it in the sum form first and then we will divide the numbers. Here there are 4 parts of question number 2. We will do all the 4 parts one by one. Question number 2, A part. The sum is 2664. 2664. Divide it by 2. The divisor is 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we will take 6 down. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next number is also 6. Again we will divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. This is 0. Last digit is 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is 1332. B part of question number 2 is 4624. 4624 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next number 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next number is 2. 2 1 ja 2 minus 0. We will take last number, that is 4. 2 2s are 4. Children, now you can see the answer is 2312. This is called quotient. The number which is given inside is dividend and the number by which we are dividing the number is divisor, and the answer which we get is called quotient. Now we will do C part of it, that is 6842. 6842. Again the divisor is same, 2. 2 3s are 6. Next number 8. 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 0. Next number is 4. 2 2s are 4. Last number is 2. 2 1 ja 2. Now we will do C part. The number is C part we have done, children. This is D part. The number is 8482. 8482. Again the divisor is same. In question number 2, there is one divisor, that is 2 only. 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 2 ja 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. The number is 2. 2 1 ja 2 minus 0. The answer is 4241. Now we will move to the question number 3. Next question, question number 3. A part. We will change the question in the division form first. 2408 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. Take 4 down. 2 2 ja 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next digit is 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place. Now we have 8 to divide by 2. 2 4 ja 8. The answer is 1204. B part. Question number 3, B part. 4062 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Take 0 as quotient. Next digit is 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Last number is 2. 2 1s are 2 is 0. Now we will do C part. C part is 6096 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then we have 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place. Next digit is 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last number is 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we have D part of this question. Question number 3. The D part is 8408. 8408 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next number is 4. 4 1s are 4. This is 0. Next digit is 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place. Last number is 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. The answer is 2102. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 4. A part. The question is 4008 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we have 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place. Again we have 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place and take next number, that is 8. 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Children, the answer is 2004. Now we have to do B part. The question is 6009 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then we have 0. When we divide 0 by any of the number, we get 0. So we will write 0 on the quotient place. Here there are 2 zeros. So we have written 2 zeros on the quotient place. Last number is 9. We will divide 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now we will do C part of question number 4. C part of question number 4 is 8004 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. We have 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place directly. Last number is 4. 4 1 ja 4. Now we have D part to do. In D part, the question is 8008 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. This is 0. Write 0. Then again write 0. Last digit is 8. 8 1 ja 8. Children, here again the answer is 1001. This is called quotient. Children, we have remaining sums also of this exercise. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, we will do remaining sums in the next video. So you complete this work in the notebook. Okay, in the next video we will do the remaining sums of this exercise, exercise 8D. Till then, bye everybody. Take care of you.